Hello everyone. Today I'm here to tell you about simple past tenses. Dear students, simple past tense is used when you're describing an action which is completed in the past. Right now you're done with that. Okay. So for example, basically I'll tell you where these type of sentences are used most frequently. When you discuss about like whatever you did whole day from the morning, just start from the morning. Like, ma'am, I woke up at 5 o'clock. I know you're not waking up at 5 o'clock nowadays, but I'm just telling. Like, I woke up at 5 o'clock. I went for a morning walk. I returned. I had a bath. I had my breakfast. I left for school. All the schools are also not there right now. So I left for school. I had my 8 lectures in between. I had my recess time. I returned from the school. Are you seeing everywhere I'm using simple past tense? Okay, describing your whole day, all the actions are completed by now. That's the reason I'm using simple past tense. So in Hindi, if I would say, मैं ऐसा करता था, है ना, मैंने like ता था, ती थे, ते थे. The Hindi sentences which end with these terms are come under the category of simple past tense, dear students. So I would start with the rules. So first of all, for affirmative or positive sentences, the rule is subject plus main verb second form. Please mind my words, dear student. This is the only tense where we use second verb of main verb, dear students. No other tenses you will find where main verb second form is used in entire all the categories of tenses. This is the only one. Okay, so subject plus main verb second form plus object. For example, she wrote a letter. उसने letter लिखा था. Okay, again if I'll talk about the negative, so the rule becomes subject plus did plus not plus main verb's first form plus object. The best thing about simple past tenses, dear students, you need not remember like with plural what to use, with singular what to use. Did is going to work with both of them. Did दोनों के साथ चलेगा, चाहे आपका subject singular हो या फिर plural हो. So dear students, she did not write a letter. उसने letter नहीं लिखा था. Okay. Talking about the interrogatives, asking questions. So dear students, the questions which could be answered in yes or no. So the rule is did, many times I have told you this did is going to get interchanged with the subject. So did plus subject plus main verb first form and object. Yeah, one thing to notice, dear students, after affirmatives, if negative or interrogative or double interrogative, nowhere else then you are going to use the main verb second form. There you are going to use main verb's first form along with did. Did will never be accompanied with main verb's second form. Did will always be accompanied with main verb's first form. Please mark my words. This is the most often mistake we people make. Okay, dear students, so talking about the interrogative, did plus subject plus main verb's first form. Here students, did is already the second form of do, no? So all the time, no, it is not needed to use here. So did plus subject plus main verb's first form plus object. So did she write a letter? Can you see I have written write here, write here? I haven't written wrote here. So did she write a letter? क्या उसने letter लिखा था? है ना? So it could be answered in yes or no. Now talking about double interrogatives, dear students, just one thing to be added, and you know that is WH family. Okay, so WH family plus did plus subject, main verb's first form and object. So like whom did she write a letter? उसने letter किसे लिखा था? So now I think you got all the 4 types of sentences how to make in simple past tense. Now let me talk about the applications where all of these sentences find their application. The very first, the very basic is when action is completed in the past. Obviously, here only we are going to use simple past tense, dear students. So one example I have written for you. I bought this book yesterday. मैंने ये book कल खरीदी थी, है ना? The action is done. I met him yesterday. मैं उसे कल मिली थी. Again, at the time of speaking, the work is being done, dear students. Talking about the next one. To express habitual action in the past, something, dear student, which you usually did in the past. You usually did in the past, dear student. For example, he exercised every day. वो रोज exercise करता था, है ना? I used to swim when I was young. मैं जब छोटी थी तो मैं बहुत swimming करती थी. I hope I gave you the correct example. Yes, dear students, talking about the next one, action that is going on when another action took place. Dear students, right now I'm talking about like two incidences are happening. One like is going on, and another incidents when you did something. I'll tell you. For example, I met him when he was going to the station. So two incidences are happening. One incident is you met him, but when he was leaving for station. So two different this one incidences are going on. For example, when I went there, she was singing. जब मैं वहाँ पहुँची तो वह गाना गा रही थी. So two different incidences are there, no? So this is also the case where simple past. Yes, dear students, now talking about the fourth application, it is used to ask any questions regarding past. For example, how did you find him? तुमने उसे कैसे ढूंढा? है ना? Like something. Right now he is with you. You have found him out. है ना? So you are asking how did you find him? Another example, if I'll ask is like when did you leave this job? ये job कब छोड़ा? So something that has already done, and right now I'm asking, putting up a question to him. Okay? Now talking about the last application, dear student, it is used with conditional sentences to indicate improbable condition which is not probable, है ना? Now it is of no use right now. Okay? For example, if he came, I would meet him. अब जब वो आया ही नहीं तो ये कहाँ से मिलेंगे? So it's just conditional we are talking. Like if he came, I would meet him. I wish I knew driving, but I don't know how to drive. है ना? So these are the applications, and I think I'm done with simple past tense. I'll be soon coming back with the past continuous tenses. Till then, wait for me. And if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a very good day.